Hello student, this is Pallad Darbari, your host, and you are watching Pallad Darbari classes. In this video, we will discuss Chapter 3 Microeconomics Class 11th Production Function. This is the third volume of the production function. Now let us discuss the marginal cost. It is defined as the additional cost to the total cost which is incurred for producing one more unit of output. In a very simple word, we can say additional unit needed or additional cost incurred to manufacture additional unit of output is called marginal cost. In short, we can say marginal cost is change in total cost divided by change in output. It can also be calculated as TCN minus TCN1. It means if we deduct current total cost with the earlier total cost, we also get the marginal cost. Let us see the presentation. Through the schedule, it can be presented like this one. We know that marginal cost is the change in the total cost. 15 minus 5 10, 23 minus 15 8, 29 minus 3 6, 41 minus 9 12, 55 minus 41 14. We can see that it is decreasing, and after reaching to a certain point it start increasing up. From fourth unit it start increasing up. So we can see that marginal cost also has a U shape. Let us see the reason why it is a U-shaped cost curve. Marginal cost is a U-shaped cost curve which implies that initially marginal cost falls, then reaches to its minimum position and afterwards rises. Why? The reason is the same, that is law of variable proportion. How the law of variable proportion is responsible? Because initially the marginal productivity of a labor is high. Because of high marginal productivity of a labor, the marginal cost decrease. Later on what happens? Later on the marginal productivity of a labor start falling up. When the marginal productivity of labor decrease, the wastage increase, because of which marginal cost also start increasing up. And all this gives marginal cost a U-shaped cost curve. Now let us see the relationship between average cost and marginal cost. We know that the shape of the average cost is U-shape. The shape of the marginal cost is also U-shape. So what this diagram shows? This diagram shows that initially there is a fall in the marginal cost and there is also a fall in the average cost. But marginal cost falls at a higher rate as compared to average cost. So there is a higher fall in marginal cost as compared to average cost. When the marginal cost start increasing up, average cost also increase, but marginal cost increase at a faster rate as compared to average cost. When decrease, faster rate; when increase, faster rate. Remember one thing, the point at which average cost and marginal cost are equal, at that very point average cost is at its minimum position. Here M is the point where both marginal cost and average cost is equal. At this point average cost is at its minimum position. The shape of marginal cost and average cost is the same, that is U-shaped. Both is being calculated, both is being derived from the total cost. So we have seen marginal cost decrease at a faster rate as compared to average cost. Marginal cost increase at a faster rate as compared to average cost. The point at which marginal cost and average cost is equal, marginal average cost is at its minimum position. These are the points which we can see. When average cost is falling, marginal cost falls at a faster rate. Marginal cost is below average cost curve. We have seen it here in the diagram. Average cost rise, average cost is above AC because marginal cost rises at a faster rate. When AC is rising, marginal cost is rising at a faster rate. Since MC is rising at a faster rate, what it means? It means MC is above AC. When AC is at its minimum position, MC is equal to AC. Remember one thing, AC and MC both are U-shaped curve which is reflecting the law of variable proportion, and both AC and marginal cost is calculated from the or derived from the total cost. Now let us see the relationship between average variable cost and the marginal cost. The shape of the average variable cost is the same as we have seen earlier, U-shape. The shape of the marginal cost is also the same, that is U-shape. Initially every marginal cost is falling, decreasing, and the average cost is also decreasing. Because since marginal cost falls at a faster rate, because of which marginal cost is always below average variable cost. After this point, what is happening? Marginal cost increase, average cost is also increase, but marginal cost increase at a faster rate, because of which what happens? Marginal cost is above average variable cost. The point at which both are equal, average variable cost is at its minimum position. So we have seen fall faster rate, increase faster rate, and the point at which both are equal, ABC is at its minimum position. The reason is law of variable proportion. Now let us see the relationship between total cost and marginal cost. Remember one thing, marginal cost is the change in the total cost. Let us see the marginal cost first. The shape of the marginal cost is, we know, U shape. The shape of the total cost is inverse S shape. Initially what is happening? Initially the total cost increase at a decreasing rate, and the marginal cost is decreasing. The question is why the total cost is increasing at a decreasing or diminishing rate? Because the marginal productivity of labor is high. Since the marginal productivity of a labor is high, it means total cost is less. And since there is a marginal productivity of a labor is high, so what is happening? It means that the cost is keep on declining till point K. So from point K, there will be a change in the increasing ratio of total cost. So after point K, what is happening? After point K, total cost start increasing at a increasing rate. Below K, total cost is increasing at a diminishing rate, but after K point, total cost is increasing at a increasing rate. In the lower panel, on the marginal cost curve, we can see, on the lower panel what we can see, it means that on the lower panel there is a point L. At this point, the marginal cost is at its minimum position. So when the point from which total cost change the percentage of increase, marginal cost is at its minimum position. When the total cost start increasing at increasing, marginal cost also start increasing up. Let us see the relationship. When the total cost rises at decreasing rate, marginal cost is decreasing. When total cost rises at an increasing rate, marginal cost rises. When TC curve stop rising at decreasing rate, that is point K, marginal cost is at its minimum position, that is L. While TC consists of both variable as well as fixed cost, MC consists of only variable cost. The shape of TC is inverse S shape and the shape of MC is U shape. That's all I have in this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Dear viewers, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the new video, you get the notification.